So, are travel agents still relevant? I'm Larry Porter, and I'm back once again, and that's today's topic. So, you do not want to miss this. We'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to talk about, are travel agents still relevant? Now, we're living in an age and time where anybody can go book their own vacation. They can put together their own cruises, vacation packages, whatsoever. That leaves the question to many, are travel agents still relevant? Do you still need a travel agent? Now, my answer to that question is yes and no. Now, let me cover the no first. No, you really don't need a travel agent to book or put together a vacation package. Okay, nowadays you have sites like Expedia, Priceline, TripAdvisor, Travelocity, things of that nature that can pretty much help you put together a basic vacation package. You have certain sites that can specialize and help you put together cruise packages, things of that nature. So if you are a customer and you're looking for ways to book yourself online, these sites will be very handy for you. Now, here's why I say yes, travel agents are still relevant. You still need a travel agent. Now, even though we have all these sites available to us where we can book our own vacation packages and put together stuff for family, friends, or etc., however you want to do it, you have to think about something. Okay, certain things that you desire your vacation package, you may not have access to at online booking sites. True enough, you can put together a vacation, but if you really want the best deals and better quality, you will need a travel agent. Reason why I say this, because travel agents are beneficial. They have access to a huge database of suppliers that the consumer does not have access to. They have relationships with vendors, hotel managers, things of that nature that can get you insider rates as well as last minute deals that you may not have access to. For example, let's say you go on Priceline, you're looking for a basic hotel room in a certain city and all the rooms are booked up. With a travel agent, let's say the travel agent has a special relationship with hotel managers, okay, even though they have something booked up, they can work around and find a way to get you an available slot just because of that relationship built with hotel managers, just because they're a travel agent. So certain things and stuff that travel agents can do that just a consumer cannot do. Okay, so it's very beneficial for you to use a travel agent because you have insurance. Excuse me. They can get you better deals on insurance. They can make sure your trip is covered on both ends, whether you cancel the trip or the trip cancels itself, or neither party can make the trip. However the case may be, you may have some family issues come up where you can't make your vacation and you need your money back. Well, certain insurances you have on online booking sites will not have that option. Okay, just basic regular insurance. However, with a travel agent, you can customize your trip more in detail. You can customize your insurance options. You can customize your vacation all-inclusive options. There's so many options. You have more with the travel agent versus booking online yourself. So you can book it yourself, yes, but you're limited on options. That's why it's recommended travel agent, because travel agent will give you more options and flexibility for your vacation booking. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. I hope you found value. Okay, so in the end result is, my biggest answer is yes, you still need a travel agent, and yes, they are highly relevant today. But can you still book on your own time? Yes, you can. But it's highly recommended to use a travel agent to get you more flexibility and more bang for your buck. Okay, so I'm Larry Porter signing off. And if you found value from this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on the next video. Oh, by the way, if you or anyone you know is desiring to be a travel agent and you're tired of leaving money on the table, okay, and you want to get some of that commission that Expedia and all the other online sites are getting, Why not fill in the gap and become your own travel agent? So if you're looking to become a travel agent or you know someone, click the link below, watch a free presentation, and I will see you on the other side. All right, Larry Porter signing off, and happy traveling. Bye-bye.